Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat. In this video, let us integrate the beautiful confirmation and alert boxes in our Angular UI. So this is nowhere relevant to the Web API, but when we are deleting any record, it is mandatory to show the confirmation. Okay, it is important to take the user consent before deleting any record. So he might click the delete button intentionally or by mistake, right? So if he is clicking on delete button by mistake, this confirmation box will help him avoiding deleting unnecessary records. So this is the roles grid and this is the delete button we have added in the previous video. And we have seen when we click on this delete button, it is directly deleting the record without asking with the confirmation box. Okay, so that's a bad implementation. To avoid that, so I wanted to integrate the confirmation and alert boxes in our Angular application. So you can see here. So there is a package, Sweet Alert package. So this is beautiful and responsive. So we can show the confirmation boxes like this. So we need to install npm install Sweet Alert package so that we can use it. So I have implemented that because this is nowhere relevant to the Web API. That's why I have written it already. So I have written a wrapper service on top of that npm package. You can see there is a success alert I have written, error alert and HTML message alert and delete confirmation. I have written 4 different wrappers on top of the Sweet Alert package. So let us try to use it. So in our role component, so I have used it in the delete. So when we are deleting, we are asking the delete confirmation. Once he said yes, then we are calling the role service.delete. Okay. And also I have added it in the update and creation services. When the role is created, it will show the success message. If something goes wrong, it will show the error message. Similarly, when we are updating the role, it will show the success message. And if something goes wrong, it will show the error alert. Okay, let us see that in action. So let me update last record and I'm saving it. You can see it is saying role updated successfully. This is very beautiful, right? Instead of the JavaScript alert, this looks good. So let us create one new role. Alert test. Save. You can see created. Role created successfully. Okay, now let us delete it. Delete. You can see here there is a question mark symbol and delete confirmation. Are you sure you want to delete the role? So if the user by mistake click on this, then this alert will ask him, are you sure you want to delete this role? If he is intentionally clicked on that delete button, then he will select yes. Otherwise he can click on cancel. So if you want to delete it, click on that and click on yes. Yes, deleted, role deleted successfully. This one is a better UI implementation. That's why I wanted to show you how you can integrate the beautiful alerts in our Angular application. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.